I've been having trouble with my computer and my camera, and I just now got them working. And then the internet here at the ranch quit working. I thought I would make a video about the recent Supreme Court decision in the United States regarding people getting married, specifically homosexuals. There seems to be a hell of a lot of confusion out there among some people regarding what the Supreme Court has concluded. I want to read a portion of a Texas Attorney General regarding the Obergefell versus Hodges conclusion, quoting the press release from Attorney General Ken Paxton. Attorney General Ken Paxton today made the following statement and issued an opinion in response to questions about the impact of Obergefell versus Hodges, the case that redefines marriage. End of quote so far. United States Supreme Court did not redefine marriage. United States Supreme Court has concluded that no state in the United States of America is allowed to ban consenting adults from getting married. What the Supreme Court concluded is, if a large percentage of the citizenry of the country have the right to get married, everybody else who are consenting adults also has that right. Did not redefine what marriage is. Had absolutely nothing at all to say anything about marriage. It had everything to say about recognizing the rights of homosexuals in the United States, who already had the right but was denied the exercise of that right to get married to the consenting adult or adults that they choose. Did not redefine marriage. Quote, Friday, the United States Supreme Court again ignored the text and spirit of the Constitution to manufacture a right that simply does not exist. End of quote. Texas Attorney General is claiming no citizen has the right to get married. That is what he is claiming. Quote, in so doing, the court weakened itself and weakened the rule of law, but did nothing to weaken our resolve to protect religious liberty and return to democratic self-government in the face of judicial activists attempting to tell us how to live. End of quote. No, it did not. They did not. Conclusion, United States Supreme Court stated, no state has the right to deny equal protection under the law, including civil and human rights recognition for all citizens of the United States. The conclusion is any ban on those civil and human rights by any state is unconstitutional. Had absolutely nothing to do with religious liberty. The press release goes on to state that traditional marriage is now at risk in the United States. Traditional marriage in the United States has been against the law in the United States for the entire time span that the United States has existed. It is a crime to have a traditional marriage in the United States. Traditional marriage pretty much ended in the 1500s. What we have now is a new not all that improved, but much improved new form of modern marriage, where specifically there is one woman and one man and they have a family and they raise children. Traditional marriage is you have one man and all of the little girls, young women, and old women that they are foisted to purchase, and all that he can buy, trade for, kidnap, and enslave. That has been traditional marriage for approximately 50,000 years. Traditional marriage in the United States has always been against the law. I have created a flowchart to help anybody and everybody out there who is still confused about what the law means to them. Here it is. To use this flowchart, just answer the question at the top. Are you homosexual? No is on the left, yes is on the right. Follow the lines and you will know what this law means for you. And there you have it. If anybody out there has any more questions about what the new conclusion by the United States Supreme Court means for you, feel free to ask in the comment section below.